To find the area of this parallelogram, we can use two formulas. First of all, we use the formula area of parallelogram equals the base times the perpendicular height. Where our base is 8 centimeter and our perpendicular height is not given. This is the slant height and not the perpendicular height. So let's introduce the perpendicular height to the parallelogram above. And let the perpendicular height be h in centimeter. Therefore, using the formula area of parallelogram equal to base times height, now let's find our height in centimeter. You're finding the height in centimeter, we utilize SOHCAHTOA, which is the trig ratio. Using the trig ratio, and in the trig ratio, we have the angle, opposite of the angle, and the hypotenuse of the angle from this triangle. Therefore, that goes with sine. So we say sine 45 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, where our opposite 45 degrees is h in centimeter over hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. Therefore, sine 45 degrees is equal to h over 6 centimeter. Making h subject formula, we'll have h to be equal to 6 centimeter times sine 45 degrees. However, from the options in the questions, the answers there are in surd. Therefore, let's find sine 45 degrees to be in surd. If you recall that sine 45 degrees can be proven from a right angle triangle, whose vertical height or the perpendicular height is 1, the adjacent is 1, and the hypotenuse is root 2 for sine 45. Therefore, sine 45 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. Therefore, our h, which is in centimeter, is equal to 6 centimeter times 1 over root 2. H can further be simplified to be 6 times 1, which is 6 cm over root 2. Let's call this equation 1 for our value of h in centimeter. Since we've gotten our value for h and our base is 8 centimeter, therefore, we can continue by saying area of parallelogram is equal to the base, which is 8 cm times height. And what is our height? Our height is 6 centimeter over root 2 from the equation 1. So our area will now be equal to 8 cm times 6 root 2, 6 cm over root 2. Multiplying the right hand side, we'll have area to be 8 times 6, which is 48 centimeter over root 2. Now, root 2 can be simplified, since it's in surd, by rationalization. And rationalization of surd is simply multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the surd of the denominator. Therefore, the area will now be 48 cm squared, don't forget, times root 2 over root 2 times root 2. We multiply the numerator by root 2, we multiply the denominator by root 2. Then our area will now be 48 cm square root 2 over root 4, which is root 2 times root 2 is root 4. 48 times root 2 is 48 root 2. So root 4 is the same thing as 2, so that our area will now be 48 cm square root 2 over 2. 48 can divide 2, which is 28. Which is 24. So we'll have here 1, here 24. We'll have 24 cm square root 2 over 1 is the same thing as 24 cm square. Now 24 cm square root 2 can simply be simplified as 24 root 2 centimeter square. And the second method for simplifying the area of parallelogram is equal to AB sine C, which is 2 sides multiplied by the sine of the inclusive angle. 2 sides multiplied by the what? The sine of the inclusive angle. Therefore, the area of parallelogram is equal to A, which is 6 centimeter, times B, which is the base, 8 centimeter, multiplied by sine C, which is sine 45 degrees. So the area of parallelogram will be equal to 6 times 8 is 48. Centimeter and centimeter is centimeter square, multiplied by sine 45. Don't forget, sine 45 is 1 over root 2. So the area of the parallelogram is equal to 48 times 1, which is 48 centimeter square over root 2. This is also a surd. So to rationalize this surd by multiplying the denominator to the numerator and also to the denominator. Therefore, the area of parallelogram is equal to 48 cm square times root 2 over root 2 times root 2, which is equal to 48 root 2 centimeter square over 2. Now 48 divided by 2 is 24. 48 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have 24 root 2 centimeter square as our final answer. The area of the parallelogram is equal to 24 root 2 centimeters square, which is best for option C. The option C, which states 24 root 2 centimeter square. Hello viewers, I hope this video is educative. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet, so that you can follow more exciting mathematical solutions. And if you've done that, stay tuned, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.